Do you want to learn how to earn passive income multiple ways just by being part of the TangGang community? Well, here's how.
Step 1. Join the TangGang Discord. That's where the magic and rewards begin.
Use the /peel oranges prompt once a day in the games channel to add to your permanent peeled oranges and earn bonus peel points. Easy daily boost. Post your coffee or favorite caffeinated drink in the coffee channel every 6 hours to earn PP and coffee tokens. Caffeine pays in TangGang.
Feeling lucky, y'all? Just type /roll in the games channel, hit a 7, and you'll give them bonus points a real nice bump. Got NFTs with some fight in them? Enter them in the battles channel and let them duke it out for PP rewards. Think Bepe's feeling bullish or bearish? Place your bet in the Bepe channel and let's see if y'all called it right.
Want daily PP without lifting a paw? Just hold PP, HOA, Bepe, or TangBear NFTs in your verified wallet and watch your rewards roll in. Membership has its privileges. The 1% Club grants booster PP, exclusive airdrops, and special rewards you won't find anywhere else in TangGang. In the TangGang Discord, we run live auctions where you can bid on NFTs. Each NFT has its own peel point value that counts toward your rewards. Inside the TangGang Discord, we host exclusive giveaways for NFTs, Bepe, XCH, and even meme coins. TangGang isn't just about rewards, it's about having fun, connecting with the crew, and celebrating wins together. Get in here and join the party. That's how to TangGang. Start earning, get active, and we'll see you in the Discord. Your passive income adventure starts now.